Hello everyone. I'll do a quick update here. I'm going to be cutting my origanum syriacum. I have many more of these plants other than this location. This is otherwise known as Syrian oregano. I'm going to be cutting hopefully all of this and drying it. It'll take about 2 days to dry, maybe 3. I'll show you my first patch I cut. It was right over here and it just filled this whole bucket up almost. So that's how much it can produce. Delicious. Extremely potent. This is the best time to prune it when it starts flowering like this. You see those little white heads? That's a perfect time to prune because the oil and the really strong properties of the plant is at the tips and at the leaves. Really good right now to prune your plants. All right, see you later.